You guys are looking for the locations of all the oxygen sensors on a Jeep Wrangler with a 3.6 V6 engine, you came to the right video. First things first, we're going to start on the passenger side. So, as you can see, the whole fender is removed. And look at that. What do you know? There's your sensors. So, we're going to start with bank 1. This is bank 1 sensor 1. This is bank 1 sensor 2. That's what the connector looks like. Let's see if this sucker comes right out. Okay. You might want to spray them with a little bit of a blaster, but this is how you get to them here. Don't go from the top, always from the bottom, because obviously this is 100 times easier. Once again, this is bank 1 sensor 2 in the back, and that's bank 1 sensor 1. If you need the part number for bank 1 sensor 2, it's 23162. Okay, I'll show you what it looks like. It's just like that. Booyah. Go ahead and switch this over. Just like that. And there you go. And if you're looking for bank 2 sensor 1 or bank 2 sensor 2, we're going to go right through here. Same exact way. And that one you can see right there, that's bank 2 sensor 1, and bank 2 sensor 2 is back here. So let me get this off and I'll show you exactly where they are. And here is bank 2 sensor 1 and bank 2 sensor 2 right here. There's the part number for bank 2 sensor 2, 23161. And there you go. We're gonna plug it in. Just like that. And we're all good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.